Hi everyone, this is Sandy Leva, and this is an Accelerator website support video. I want to explain our SEO dashboard. It's called SEMrush, and I want to explain this square right here where it says position tracking. It is the second square that you're going to see after you're logged into your SEMrush account under your domain. So there is a percentage here. It's never going to be 100%. It's probably going to be somewhere around 5 to 10%. If it's higher than that, then you're doing very, very well. So let me explain how the percentage is really not that important, but this is a very important piece to look at. So let's dive in and take a look at, I want to click you to the overview section. They just added the landscape section and it's really not valuable at all in my opinion. So click over to the second tab where it says overview, and this is what we want to look at. And we also want to scroll down a little bit to see to take a look at the bottom of this page where it says rankings overview. Now, typically, you're going to have more than one keyword list here. So for our website, acceleratornewsletters.com, we're going after this keyword series, client newsletters for accountants, and we're actually ranking #1 for it, which is why we got 100%. So if we added more keywords here, that percentage would go down unless we have the #1 spots on everything that we keyed in, which is how they get the 100%. So what's important here is to take a look at what we have what we're measuring for you. And if it's in line with the type of clients that you want and in line with the geography that you think is the best chance for us to get you clients. So that's very, very important because typically you're going to have a city and a state listed here. And then you're also going to have something like either tax prep or QuickBooks bookkeeping or accounting services or CPA firm. Those are the ones that we kind of go after the most. And it'll tell you, this chart will tell you what position you have currently in the dashboard. So if we were going to go to Google and we keyed in, for example, client newsletters for accountants, you should be able to see roughly the same result as in SEMrush. There might be some differences, but here we've got some people running ads because they can't get their organic high enough. And then you've got us right here. So we are in the #1 spot for that. So you want to kind of make sure that this is the same as what you're actually seeing when you key your search terms in Google, and you can verify that. Again, there may be some differences. We do, in this case, we do have a geography, but it's the United States in general. Typically for clients, you're going to have a more restricted area. You're going to have your city or your county where you're located, because local SEO is very, very important. If we tried to rank you nationally, it would cost, 5 figures and up per year for us to keep you ranked nationally versus locally. So we definitely want to get you in the search engines locally. All right, so I hope that explains a little bit about ranking and the words that we're tracking. And if the keywords are not what you're expecting, feel free to get on my calendar or give us a call and let us get the correct words in your dashboard so that we can measure the results that you want. All right, thanks everybody, and we'll see you on the next support video.